It's all good. It's good enough. You can see me. Top my head chopped off. I don't care. I'm close. I'm up close. I'm back with another mukbang. Yeah, we got some seafood today. It's whatever I had in the freezer. Ain't no crab legs. Ain't no snow crab. Ain't no king crab. I got some lobster though. Oh, I went to the store and got these lobsters. Just two of them. I ain't go to Costco. I went to the regular dollar store. You know, these lobsters, the same size of them shrimp and people be getting from Great Alaska. You see that? You see that? But am I shame? No. Cause I'm finna chow down on them. I ain't got but two though. I ain't got but two. I was gonna call them prawns, but I think prawns bigger than that too. I don't know what kind of lobster these is. We gonna get it in, man. We gonna say grace. We gonna do the Snapchat, of course. And we finna grill today. Come get you some. Amen. Okay, oh, I got some corn, I got some potatoes, I got that Blove sauce. I don't care what you say, that Blove sauce be busting. I'm gonna try another sauce next video. How about that? But right now, I don't know when I'm gonna do another video, cause I start a new job tomorrow, and I don't know what the schedule's gonna be like. But for right now, I got that Blove sauce. I got some egg, I got some sausage, I got some mussels, and I got some shrimp. These are the super colossal shrimp. These are super colossal shrimp from Walmart. Whatever. Hey, they try their best. And it was in my budget. So we gonna get it in, man. Let me do the Snapchat. Snapchat gonna be quick today. I'm ready to eat. Say what up, kinfolk. Oh man, we got a little seafood boil today. It's seafood freezer boil. We're gonna call it that. I got some lobster. Other people call them prawns, but they lobster for real. I got some super colossal shrimp from Walmart. I got some corn. I got some mussels. I got some boiled egg, and I got some sausage, and I got the Blove sauce. You see that there? Oh yeah, all them goodies. I got some strawberry and cream clear maker. I ain't never tried that before. We gonna debut that today, and I got the Ebony Queen mason jar on here. It's gonna be delicious. You don't believe me? Come see for yourself. Over there on YouTube, Lilgilmoeats. Come get you some. Say what up, kinfolk. Oh man, we got a little seafood boil today. It's seafood freezer boil. We're gonna call it that. I got some lobster. Other people call them prawns, but they lobster for real. I got some super colossal shrimp from Walmart. I got some corn. I got some mussels. I got some boiled egg, and I got some sausage, and I got the Blove sauce. You see that there? Oh yeah, all them goodies. I got some strawberry and cream clear maker. I ain't never tried that before. We gonna debut that today, and I got the Ebony Queen mason jar on here. It's gonna be delicious. You don't believe me? Come see for yourself. Over there on YouTube, Lilgilmoeats. Come get you some. Man, ain't nothing like potato and Blove sauce. I ain't lying to you. You gonna put one of these shrimp in here. Hey, bougie palace, if you're looking, I'm gonna suck on one of these shrimp for you, okay? Okay? Hey, and everybody, it's 2 little shirt day. I'm holding a contest for 2 little shirts. Shut up. Man, I done gained some weight, man, doing this. You're like, you ain't got no weight. Yes, I have. I probably wore this shirt. Let me get one of these lobsters. I'm being funny, but it is lobsters. Look at that. I don't care. Look at that lobster. They done caught the baby lobsters, man. They're like a grown crawfish. I was gonna get some crawfish, but I like, nah, I ain't got time for all that sucking. I just ate a whole lobster. That was good though. Let me best batch on. Got a clear American strawberries and cream. See how this tastes. I had to, it was something cream before. I ain't too much like it, but I love the strawberry. So why wouldn't I love the strawberries and cream? It tastes like a car air freshener. For real. Take a long look at that one, people. Oh, I just swallowed too much butter. And the reason it took me so long for this video to come out, people, I couldn't eat till my stomach got right. I appreciate all y'all for coming to my live last night. Over there. On Instagram and on YouTube. We did it in 2 places last night. But you know what I was on last night. So, and I ate that pork the night before. People eat more chicken. You wanna do a barbecue sandwich? If you're gonna eat 3 of them, use chicken. But it was good though. But my stomach was mad at me for the past couple of days. He didn't be little salt. Look at that onion dripping on there. And you may be saying, since I'm eating this B-Love sauce, I put some chicken stock in here. that helped a little bit. That helped a little bit. It ain't all butter. It's good. I'll be alright. Oh man. Look at that. Look at that. Hey, beef sausage. Ain't no pork on here. Ain't no pork on here at all. And that sauce is good. You put the onion on there. The onion. The onion. I think just ripped my bottom lip off. I'm hot. Oh man, it was hot. It's Sunday. Everybody enjoying their Sunday? I sure hope so, man. I've been doing a little cleaning up, getting my paperwork ready. Of course, watching a little basketball. I said, okay, I'm ready now. Look at the corn. I'm ready to go tackle this food. Yes, sir. That's an experience. It's a beautiful day outside today. I said, man, let me come out here and just sit for a minute. I just sat down, and that bit me. I said, man, let me get my black behind back in the house. Gnats be killing me. I moved away because of gnats. Long time ago, I got to go. I mean, that hot. Whew. Whew. Huh. Like I said, I appreciate everybody coming to the live last night. Hey, let me say this. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Let me say that from the jump. Just in case I lose a few, dog. Hit that subscribe button for me. Hit that like button too. Hit that notification bell. Snatch people's cell phone, okay? If you ain't at the end of the video. I'm like Eva Q. I'm gonna start saying what she say. Cause a lot of people going ham on me now. You got a good personality, but you smacking. That ain't it. Okay. Okay. Check this out. If you don't like smacking, tuck it, okay? Okay? This might not be for you. If you don't like smacking and chewing and stuff oozing all out my mouth and all that, this is a mukbang, okay? Google it. When people eat, I got sauce. I got sauce. I got sauce, man. I don't know what to tell you, kinfolk. You see that? I know it's something. Look at me, look. I got a shrimp leg in my mouth. I'm gonna give it talking junk. Fit myself. Watch it. Watch me eat the shrimp. All that slurping. Right there, I did it on purpose. But it's gonna be some slurping. It's gonna be some smacking. If you don't like eating sounds, I don't know what to tell you. I would appreciate you. I would appreciate you hanging around. I'm gonna be me. Ain't gonna change for you and nobody else. I'm sorry. I say, well, if I go out, I'm going out on my feet and not on my knees. Tell me, you would have more subscribers if you start smacking. If you don't get out my DM, I almost lost Jesus for a second. I ain't lying. I'm about to die. Okay, I'm back. It's a mukbang, people. You know, if you don't like that, you can turn off, man. You can move on. I still love you though. I still love you. We still can be kinfolk, just distant kinfolk. 34th kinfolk, 5th kinfolk, play kinfolk. How about that? How about we just be play kinfolk? I might well bust out this last crawfish. I mean, this last lobster. I might bust out this last crawfish big brother. I mean, I don't know what kind of lobster it is. I'm gonna do it just like this too. Boy, straight to the pep though when I get through with this. Man, it's delicious. I need to talk to y'all about something. On the live, right? That's a lot of money. Yeah, man. Oh, good. It's delicious. On the live, right? It was either Quan C or Cedric Hightower. One of them asked me if I had subscribed to Shula King, comedian. I think he out of Chicago or Detroit, one of them. I see him sometime on Facebook. And I hit his notification bell, just like y'all should do with my videos. He had a video today. I mean, if you follow me and you seen a lot of people hit me up on them comments, You know, I didn't curse. I didn't curse. A lot of people hit me up on the comments because he said he was playing a segment from a news show. Oh, I gotta get that egg out of here because I'm saving this sauce. He said, well, he didn't say yet, but the news source said a dude, a little boy, he younger than me, going to jail. He snuck a .38 revolver inside the jail or the prison or whatever. What did he say it was? 13 inches? Something like that. A revolver, 38 revolvers like this. 38 revolver. About this big. Guess what he snuck it in through? Guess how he snuck it in? Yup, you guessed it. It wasn't in his mouth. It was up there. How you do that? How you sneak a gun from up there? Nah. Ain't enough fleet in the world to clear that out. His lining is gone. And that's all I'm gonna say about that. It's gone. So the kid said he think they lying. If they ain't lying, that little boy got a problem. He over 18 now, he was going to prison. He got a problem. You hear me? I'm just saying. That's crazy. You better hit me up. Ha ha ha. But I ain't curse though. I just said, you know, it probably ain't the first thing that I've been up there. I'm done with that. Because I'm walking the line now. But that burger challenge I put out. What in the that burger challenge I put out. Miss Wendy did it. Will and Jay did it. And Eat With Us did it. Eat With Us kind of blew it away. They made a burger big as this table. I ain't lying. Might as well keep it real with you. I like, man, they shame me. For real. And happy birthday to both of y'all. Y'all got birthday on the same day? Go on over to their channel, man. Wish them a happy birthday. Eat With Us. They got a good channel. I done learned some stuff, and I'm gonna do some stuff with Faith. When she get out spring break, we'll do a couple of things I done learned on that channel. I'm just telling you now. I'm gonna keep real with you. Well, one of the things, they ain't put one of the things on the channel. She emailed me, told me how to do it. Good people. But like I was saying, Burger Challenge, you tell 40 people. 3 people did it. It's all good though, it's all love. Miss Wendy, Will and Jay, and Eat With Us. If somebody else did it, I don't know about it, I apologize, but you ain't let me know, you know. And like I say, I do that burger on this channel. If I think it's better than mine. But I'm gonna say this. I know nobody be studying me. Nene said she was gonna do it. Nene E, she probably put me to shame. She was cooking like she a chef. Nene said she was gonna do it. Snacks and She Grew Up With Love said they were gonna do it. I tell Lisa Lou because I figured she was gonna do something, but nobody. It's all good though. Everybody busy. But I'm saying like this. All my Instagram followers. If y'all come up with a burger, man, DM it to me. And if I think it's good enough, I'll do it on the channel, man, for real. I do it on the channel, shout you out, put your picture up here, let you know what's happening. You know what I'm saying? So I'm saying that too. To all my Instagram followers, to everybody. Everybody, if you can cook a burger and I think it's delicious, let me know what type it is. Kind of be creative with it. Be creative with it. I don't want just no cheese, no bun, no lettuce, tomato. Put an egg on that thing now. Put some, like I did, put some nacho cheese. Put some pulled pork on that thing now. Or chicken. Kind of scared of the pulled pork now. If I like it, I'll do it. But come on now. So there you go. We're gonna step it up a little bit since ain't nobody pay attention to me. So yeah, DM me or however you want to do it. However you get in contact with me. Let me see the burger on all my social media platforms. Email me, but it's best to go on Instagram. Instagram people, let me know what's up. Corn hot. Huh. Huh. Too much sauce in this corn. This corn spicy. It's sauce spicy. Just talking out loud. Here we go again. It's that spicy. Yeah, I'm getting full. That wasn't it. I thought I might not have enough shrimp. Guess I do. Sorry, y'all. I'm about to die. I tell you I love y'all. I feel like somebody's striking matches on my throat right now. I tell you I love y'all. I do. Shout out to Tennessee, man. I done shout out Tennessee before. Hey, Nashville, Tennessee. Just Tennessee all together. Nashville, Knoxville, Memphis. Somebody keep asking me, when you gonna shout out Tennessee? So here you go. Shout out Tennessee, man. Linda. I think it was Linda. Hey, I don't play with Linda. Linda don't play with me. Shout out Angie too. I ride her. Miss Smith East got a new video. I thought she'd be eating 3 Whoppers. It was like 2 Whoppers and a double cheeseburger. She tripping. She knows she should have got a triple Whopper. Quit playing. Y'all hit that channel up. So shout out, she grew up with love. She said her mama was watching me on the big screen yesterday. Appreciate that, kid folk. Appreciate that. Trying to get on the big screen, man. Trying to do what I can do. Ice machine. Trying to do what I can do, man. I love all y'all, man. If I forget, pray for me. I be trying not to make the video too long. Take my other stuff, trying to stop the sweat from dripping on my forehead. It's all good. Shout out to Cedric, man. Answering all them questions, because y'all wouldn't answer no question. Doing shout outs, bump it. Shout out to Heather T, man. She just replied to something I said. I don't even know what it was. Let me see. Let me see, man. Let's do this. Let's have fun. Ooh, she pretty. Shout out to Katie Bud 723, man. She just sent me a message. She a new subscriber. That's some new kinfolk, man. She about to join my Snapchat too. I'm tell her she trying to find me. I gotta tell her. Who else, man? Let me go down this Instagram list. Except for these little kids. If you look grown, I'm gonna shout you out. XO.Aquarius. Shout out you, man. Shout out to Corn C. Man. Dang, XO.Aquarius. Shout out to, like I said, Katie Bug. Shout out to Ecstasy. Is yummy. It might be a bad idea, but okay, we still doing it. And she joined me on Snapchat. Shout out to Beautiful Butterfly _Ginger, man. Shout out to everybody. Shout out to Ebony Queen, man. Shout out to Amazon _chick _11 _1. Shout out all you, man. Shout out, man. Oh, they follow me. Shout out to MX Baby Girl, man. Shout out to Peace, Love, and Teaching. She must be a teacher. Shout out to Eating with Leah. She got a new YouTube channel. Y'all go check her out. Shout out to Azel. She cuss. Can't say that. I'm scared of strikes. Shout out to Adorn and Marie. Hey, Snoopy East 4-Way, he going live right now. Oh, this gonna be a long video. Hey, shout out to JLSE, man. She just posted another video. Shout out to Enjoy.ACEE. I think that's enough for Instagram. What you think? Yeah, me too. JLSE got she doing a hot Cheetos mozzarella sticks. It's all good. I'm tripping, but it's all good. I don't care if I get a strike for that. Chef Zoe, look what he do. Look what they doing. Man, I'm tripping. Look, this what they done posted and cooked up. Shout out to them, man. There's no shout outs for today. I don't know when they gonna when they gonna shut this. I don't know when this camera gonna stop rolling. I ain't got but a little more. I love y'all. I'm talking about the 2-bag. Man, why you doing all this shout out? This showing out? I don't care. Make some people happy. I don't care. You just add. I'm gonna get a couple more mussels. I didn't know that video was gonna be that long. Good Lord. Potatoes getting cold. That's a good thing, because it's been too hot. Okay, I'm eating this egg. Get full. Woo! I love y'all, man. I do. Y'all know it. I think y'all know it by now. If you don't, you're listening too slow. Y'all, appreciate y'all coming through, man. You could look at anybody on YouTube. Y'all already look at Steven Sushi. Y'all already look at, who else y'all already look at? Casey Connection. Y'all already look at MK Bites. Y'all already look at Champ Queen. Who else? Eva Q. Blove, of course. Y'all already look at Tay and Lou. Hey, I like Tay and Lou. Like I said on live last night. I looked at their first video last night. Yesterday. And I looked at the second one. And I looked at the third one. And the fourth one. That's what's up. Y'all already look at Steph and Todd. You already look at a bunch of them. Nick Avocado. I already look at them. You could look at Jay Leslie. She got a video out right now. You could look at TSN3. You could look at It's Squeaky. You could look at Life with Kim B. Well, black hat. You could look at Prissy P. Chilling with Nick Avocado. Nene E. You could look at her too. What up, Chef? Shay Snacks. She grew up with love. Mr. Moment, not Mr. Moment, King EE. Go and check him out now. You could look at Miss Wendy too. Miss Wendy is something else. Miss Wendy Melendez. But you took about 30 minutes out your time to holler at me. You could look at Zaddy Chun Chun. I watched this video with his girl Nicole before I sat down here, man. His channel got better. He feel more rejuvenated. His personality done strengthened up. Not that it was wrong before, but he finna do big things. And his shows and his subscribers. Not subscribers and his followers. Sorry! Don't give me no subscribe, please. Give me a hug. Give me a hug. I'm talking like I know what I'm doing. I'm over here in the cut chilling. Love y'all, man. I love y'all. What y'all say last night? Cut it for nothing gonna keep. You call me Mr. one more time, see what happened to you. You call me Mr. one more time, okay? Okay? Like, comment, subscribe, share, hit that notification bell, please. Please. Need you to. I don't know when the next video gonna be. It's gonna be one. It's gonna be 100,000 million more. I don't know about next week though, cause I gotta figure out the job situation. Unless my mama cook me something and I just come right quick like and eat it on camera or be at lunch and I stop and I eat something. But you know me. I gotta keep it gangster. I gotta get in the kitchen. I wanna do a couple of burger places though. So that's gonna drop. Somebody said, why don't you do Five Guys again? Okay. Okay. I do it again. Who's eating Five Guys the other day? And it looks delicious. I might as well eat while I'm talking to y'all. I bet y'all like, man, why don't you eat? Get on my nerve. But yeah. I love y'all. Never forget that. I don't quit. Only time I'm gonna quit is if I'm shot. And I said one of them alligators bite me and I bleed to death. That's the only way. Oh, I get, never mind. I love y'all, man. And just remember, like I said the other day, I sound like a Puerto Rican. Like I said the other day, it ain't the dog in the fight. It's the fight in the dog, baby. Peace.